Go onto this website, there is a link in the description down below, and click on the invite button. Now go to the drop down, add it to your server, and press continue. Authorise all the permissions that it is asking for, and that is now added to your Discord server. Now jump over to Discord, and the first thing we'll do is we will create a new channel. This will make sense shortly. So right click on the left hand side where all your channels are, and click on create a text channel. Give it a name, something like scheduled messages. Now we want to click on the cog next to that channel that you've just created. Now go to permissions, and click on the plus icon. You will want to put your administrators in there, which means that you've got access to this channel. Now we want to click on the plus icon again, and scroll down in the list until you find message scheduler. Click on that so it's added, and what I personally do is I give it a tick for everything so it's got full access to this channel, and make sure that you save the changes. Now what I do for everyone is I put a cross in the box for everything. This is so everybody in your Discord can't see that you are scheduling messages. Once you've put a cross in every one of the boxes, click on save changes, and then click on escape so we go back to the main page of Discord. Now to schedule a message, we need to type in the letter S, exclamation mark, new, and press enter. You will now get a box appear, which basically tells you what you need to do next. So our first box is, do we want to put a title for the message? If you don't want one, type in none. Now what do you want your message to say? We will go with hello everyone. Now where do you want this message to be posted in your Discord server? So we'll go hashtag, and we will just put it in our tier 3 of our Patreon. When would you like this message to be sent? Now bear in mind, you put the month first, and then the day, and you do the hours, then the minutes. So we want it to be sent today, which will be the 1st, 28, press the space bar, and now we need to put what time we want it to be sent. So we'll go 15:23 and press enter. Do we want the message to be repeated? We don't want to. Once again, we'll type in none. Now that is confirming that the message is ready to be sent. You do need to press the green tick. If you don't press that green tick, the message will not be sent. If you've created a lot of messages and you want to see a list, type in S, exclamation mark, list, and that will give you a list of all the messages that you have got scheduled to be posted on Discord. Now I think we should go over to tier 3 and make sure that this message gets posted. And there we are, 15:23, the message has been sent. Hello everyone! And that is how you schedule messages in Discord.